Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn 3D logo design in Photoshop. Let's start. First create a background. Then create a shape. I need to circle. Just align the background. Fill the color gray in circle. Go to pen tool. I need some shape. Create. Fill the color. Okay, shapes ready. It will adjust. Copy the layer and horizontal and vertical rotation. Copy of the layer. Make a line. I want the circle need to a shape. That's why I'm create the shape. Go to the circle, resizer, and select the shapes and to delete. And delete the shapes in circle. Now create a depth. This is the depth. I need to depth. See, this is depth. You can use pen tool. You need to adjust. Just click the control on keyboard. Copy the depth layer. Again align. Okay, depth is ready. Then create a one circle. Just align. Then edit the shapes, depth shapes. Little edit the depth shapes. Okay, fine. Just double click the circle layer, open layer style, go to gradient overlay. You can select color. I need to metal finish. Little adjust. then go to inner circle, again double click, open layer style. I need to blue. This is the inner circle. Just select. I want to light blue. Now you can to adjust the color. Okay, fine. Just drag little, drag the gradient. You can change the gradient different. Okay, inner shapes color is ready. Then select the depth shapes, again double click, open the layer style, enable the gradient to overlay. Just you can to drag, again depth shape, you can to enable gradient to overlay. Align. Fine. You select the gradient overlay, just drag your mouse. Little update the gradient. Little dark. And drag. Okay, gradient different. Okay, fine. Go to pen tool. I need to on reflection. Again, little dark inside. Little dark the inside shape. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Little adjust the depth shape. Click Control on keyboard. You can adjust. Go to pen tool. Just select the path. I need to reflection. Now create a reflection. Okay, this is path. Just Control Enter. Go to Control Enter. Create a new layer. Select the gradient. Fill color. Fill color white. Blue on white. Just drag. You can adjust the opacity. copy the reflection layer and rotate, flip horizontal and vertical, make a place, make a right place, fine. Reduce scale, fine. Then go to select, brush, create a new layer, create a lighter reflection, just on dot. This is lighting. Fill color blue, again on blue light. Fill color blue, just on pick. Enough. Okay, this is fine. Just select again on. Just light glare or light blue. Create a one layer, new layer. Make your shadows. Just use brush tool. One pick. You can rescale. Yes, place it. Feel is 3D effect. That's why using shadows. This like 3D effect. Again light glare. I need one light glare. Color though. Create a new layer. Just pick a little light. Okay, fine. Light is fine. Again copy. Fine. Copy one. Okay. The logo is ready. Then make a background. I need to change the background. You can select the entire layer. Control E, merge. You can merge entire layer. Go to background, gradient overlay. Yeah, this color is fine. Logo is fine. This is 3D logo design in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.